Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik here, and welcome to the brand new RazorEmporium.com. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned wet shaver, our new site makes it easier than ever to find exactly what you need. We've made the site more mobile compatible. There's some new features we're going to go over, and we're really excited for you to check it out today. Well, every once in a while you need to update a website. They say that no website's ever complete, it's just in between updates, and that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to give a more modern look, more clean, especially mobile friendly, cross-compatible between your favorite iPhone or Android device or a tablet or even your big desktop computer with a big fat monitor. It should look beautiful on any site, it should adapt. We wanted to make sure that things are easy to find, that navigation is super simple. We also wanted to make sure that if you're searching for something, we have new filtering options, and those will continue to be expanded. So for all the details within our hobby of creams and soaps and razors and double edge and aggression levels, we want to have filters that make it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Our products area now has large and clear photos with a zoom feature, detailed descriptions including materials and specifications, stock availability, and even related product suggestions. And of course, check out the review section. I always love hearing from other wet shavers what they think about the products, and I hope you do too. In your account, you can find things like order tracking, you can make a wish list. We also wanted to make sure the checkout experience is as fast and quick as possible. Before, we had another carrier that was kind of providing a service, but you had to have an account really to use it, and some people found that cumbersome. So now it's up to date, it's super fast. We even have Google Pay and Apple Pay options. So we wanted to, even Amazon Pay, we wanted it to be as easy as possible for you to go through our site and get exactly what you need as fast as possible. Well guys, head on over to RazorEmporium.com and check it out. And if you love it as much as we do, please let us know in the comments. Thanks so much guys.